17 Modern Rustic Bedroom Decorating Ideas. This rustic bedroom by one of Canada's top interior designers, Jennifer Wirtz, does not disappoint. The clean and airy space combines a modern upholstered bed frame with crisp shiplap walls. Sealing the deal is the sliding barn-style door crafted from reclaimed wood. A bedroom in a sunny Brooklyn, New York apartment featured on Home Polish gets a soft rustic vibe courtesy of flea market finds. Storied pieces like the painted wood headboard and old pastoral painting add charming appeal. Mismatched end tables are a homey touch that builds one-of-a-kind character. An assortment of embellishments like the books and short sprigs of lavender create a lived-in look that does not feel cluttered. In this stylish, rustic bedroom, Minnesota-based design firm Martha O'Hara Interiors took the masculine edge off a reclaimed wood ceiling and stone fireplace with contrasting fabrics. Details including the plush neutral bedding and the country plaid curtains add softness and a sense of balance to the room. There is no need for a traditional end table when you have tree stump you can paint half white. The small wing chair on the right may not seem like a typical choice for a rustic bedroom, and that's the point. It lends sophistication while providing a practical purpose. Give a Nordic-styled bedroom some rustic flair with a whitewashed wood feature wall as shown in this Brooklyn, New York loft by Emma Barrel Interior Design based in New York City. Duplicating the look is a cinch using peel and stick wood plank by Stickwood, Lux Wall, or Artist Wall. Bold black walls lend swagger to this sanctum by Griffin Carrick Design located in Fayetteville, North Carolina. The room is a stunning mashup of rustic, glam and mid-century modern styles. Soft accents including the light and airy curtains and luxurious sheepskin rugs offset the rustic wood headboard. Sprigs of eucalyptus and matching marble lamps flank the bed. The abstract wall on the right is a playful counterpoint to the rest of the furnishings. You can get mighty creative when creating a bespoke feature wall. In this cozy bedroom by Millhaven Homes located in Lehigh, Utah, wood planks were arranged in a traditional American Indian pattern. The navy and white wood panels set the tone for the room's color scheme. Sometimes all you need are a couple of decorative accents to infuse a space with a rustic style. In this Southern-style home by Home Polish interior designer, Diane Hewitt, a lucky horseshoe and pebble-filled table lamps add rustic vibes to a crisp, neutral bedroom. In this hotel room designed by Studio Tack, two-tone beadboard walls and a color scheme steeped in shades of white, green, gray, brown, and blue are both nods to the classic rustic style. Contributing to the old-timey feeling are the two wrought iron-inspired bed frames. Piling on layers of various patterns and textures in a mix of different brown and cream colors is the trick that makes this homey bedroom by Licati Architects one of our favorite examples ever. The reclaimed wood wall anchors the space while print fabrics in contrasting patterns covering the walls, window, headboard, and pillows add both visual interest and depth. Typically, the palette for modern rustic decor is a neutral one, heavily dependent on the warm tones of natural wood, along with lighter colors on the walls, bedding, window treatments, and accessories. This stylish bedroom by Metropole Architects puts a fresh twist on traditional, rustic decorating with a stunning dark blue wall. It is the perfect backdrop for the brown and blue colors used throughout the room. Another good-looking trick worth stealing is the wood feature wall, which is actually wallpaper. Clean and inviting are the two words that come to mind when we gaze at the master bedroom in this modern lodge by Chem Studio, an architectural firm, situated in Kansas City, Missouri. The reclaimed wood wall brings a rustic vibe that feels calm and relaxed. Modern farmhouse style puts a fresh twist on rustic details to create a modern space that feels both homey and chic. Case in point, this lovely bedroom by Amber Interior Design based in Calabasas, California. Wood-paneled walls were brightened up with white paint. A pretty headboard and accent pillows evoke cozy feelings. The cherry on top is the wicker mirror that lends a stylish bohemian vibe. Martha O'Hara Interiors based in Minneapolis, Minnesota remodeled this charming country retreat. Here weathered barn wood carves out a nook for a small bed in a child's bedroom. Matching vintage task lights in black lends to the rustic appeal. Reclaimed wood can cost a bundle. Enter plywood boards. They are an inexpensive alternative that can add rustic charm to plain walls. The small bedroom in this tiny home by Escape Traveler is a beautiful example. The panels warm up the nook with soothing color and texture. You do not need wooden ceiling beams or a reclaimed wood feature wall to create a rustic-inspired space. To illustrate our point, take a gander at this New York City bedroom in a Greenwich Village apartment featured on 6SQFT. The old brick walls and natural timber shelving give the small space a rustic vibe. Sure, you can purchase modern rustic decor, but you don't have to go shopping for mass-produced stuff to duplicate this homey storage solution in a cute little bedroom by Home Polish. The handy shoe storage unit was built out of old wood pallets. A vintage motel sign gets a new life as a Campy headboard in this rustic hotel bedroom by Lacati Architects. The burnt orange walls match the sign while enhancing the room's cozy appeal. Another fantastic idea is the wood trim around the windows and walls. Raw wood was installed instead of conventional crown molding. The old books and bare lampshade on the left bring on the kitsch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.